finds Jason and another love story begins.
Well, Jason told ABC News he was shocked by the beauty of her words, slightly surprised, and of course emotionally ripped apart. He also said he wasn't a gifted writer like his wife, but he says if he could write about their epic love story, he would. Well, Facebook cracking down on fake news. The disputed news tag is now live on the social media site. The label was rolled out over the weekend with links explaining why the stories are disputed. The tag shows up under stories that are deemed false. Facebook has promised it would do something about the fake news. To sports news now. This isn't fake. Happening tonight, the Caps looking to extend their franchise record home winning streak to 16. This weekend's overtime win against the Flyers stretched their streak to 15. The Caps have not lost a game at the phone booth since December 29th, and that went into a shootout. During the streak, the Caps have outscored their opponents. Get this, 67-21. They go for 16 in a row tonight against Dallas. Go Caps. And it's that time of year where people are planning their trips right here to the district so they can see the famed cherry blossoms. So how are they looking after a cold weekend? Eileen Whalen has your cherry blossom update.
Well, all eyes are on the cherry blossoms. Of course, last week, the National Park Service predicted the peak bloom dates anywhere between March 14th and March 17th. So we figured we had to give you an update, especially how did the blossoms fare after such a cold weekend? Well, the blossoms right now are in the second stage. They are at the florets visible stage, and you can see them looking a little bit better than they did at least last week. So the initial stage is set. We've still got 4 more of the 6 until we reach peak bloom. We are anticipating warmer than average temperatures today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, so that'll probably help aid in the process. But then as we head into the weekend, we're back to winter-like temperatures, so it's definitely going to be close. Of course, to meet that March 14th date, they'll have to bloom by next Tuesday, so we'll have to see how all of that fares. But of course, we are your Bloom Watch station, so stay with us for the very latest. Reporting from the Tidal Basin, I'm Eileen Whalen. Guys, back inside to you.
Oh, well, we got some cold weather out there.
We did. The blooms are still doing okay over this past weekend. We'll see with this upcoming weekend with the potential for maybe a little wintry weather. Still 7 days away, so we don't want to get too alarmed. Okay. But we want to be looking ahead, be prepared.
That's what we do.
But yeah, we already at stage 2. I mean, last year our bloom was March 25th, and this year they're saying anywhere from the 14th to 17th. So let's take a look outside and show you a little graphic I threw together for you. The peak they're forecasting for this year is the 14th through the 17th, so possibly as early as next Tuesday. Yeah. Now, the earliest it's ever been is March 15th. So, you know, kind of personally, I'd like it to actually hit early so we can maybe have a new record, but we'll see what happens. Typically, you know, we usually a little later March, can happen as late April, but we're in stage 2, as Eileen pointed out. Stage 3, we're keeping an eye out for the timing of that, then 4, then 5, and boom, it's out there. All right, let's talk about what's happening on the weather bug right now. We do have in Alexandria currently 47 degrees after a morning low of 31, but that was one of the milder early morning lows. Take a look at some of these other lows out there this morning. St. John's Regional Catholic School in Frederick, 21. Bellmead School in Sperryville, they were 21 this morning. 22 at Pax River. Even Riverbend Golf and Country Club this morning was at 23. So we definitely had a brisk start to the morning, but we are seeing a nice west-southwesterly flow, which is helping to elevate those temperatures as we head into the afternoon. So what we're looking at for the next couple of days, milder days return. If you like more of a spring-like feel, that's what we've got going for the next few days. A little bit of warm rain possible. We have a little sprinkle chance later tonight. Our better chance, I think, would be tomorrow night. And then by upcoming weekend, could be more of a winter-like feel, maybe even some snowflakes in the mix. So something we have to keep an eye out. As we look at the forecast for the afternoon, we are looking at some issues with some clouds continue to increase from west to east. There are some showers that are just kind of lapping at the far western suburbs right now. But I don't think most of that really gets in here. Most of that falls apart in the mountains. But later, as we go through the evening, some of these may hold together enough to bring a little bit of moisture across the mountains. So a couple of late sprinkles or spotty showers later tonight and into early tomorrow morning. But the best push of rain, I think, comes tomorrow night. Outside right now, not much happening on our Futurecast. I'll show you as we go through time, through the evening, a couple of sprinkles here and there later tonight. By tomorrow morning, late tonight, bedtime, early tomorrow morning, a few sprinkles here and there. The bulk of your Tuesday's dry and pushing near 70, but by tomorrow evening, that is when the rain could be on our doorstep, albeit briefly. Take a look at your extended forecast here then for the next couple of days. Temperatures running well above the 52 where they should be for this time of year. Even through Thursday, we're talking 60s, a little bit breezy Wednesday and Thursday behind that rain. A couple of showers Friday and the weekend. A lot of air moves in here, a lot of cold air, but some precipitation could move in as well. Could be some wintry weather on Sunday. This is also the weekend we switch our clocks and get an extra hour of daylight.
Why can't March be more like February?
Because February was unprecedented.
I know. All right, Brian, thank you. Well, we will be right back, but first, here's a look at what's coming up tonight at 5.
Good afternoon. Tonight on ABC 7 News at 5, you can always count on the 7 on your side call for action team to alert you to scams and ripoffs. But today, they're going to change it up a little bit with a good news alert about an expensive family vacation gone wrong and how a credit card saved the day. Sometimes what's in the fine print will surprise you tonight at 5.
Beautify your home, lower your cooling bills, and save money now with Thompson Creek Windows. Call now.